Hello everyone. So today we will create an activity of find your voice. So for it we have to record sound. We can record a song or a sound for the performance. Even we can write the words in speeches of bubble for the cat or any other characters to say. So let's learn to record the sound and create speech bubbles for the character dialogues. So for it, let's go on our page, click on the plus sign and something. This is how your page will appear over here. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to choose a background. Okay, so here I am choosing a background, so I have taken the theater one, and now we have taken a spirit, like I have taken a tick over here. So let's give it a block. So here I will give it blocks, like first we will give a green flag, and now like this I have taken two motion blocks. So we have to go on the sound block and tap the green block category to access the sound blocks. Tap the microphone button to enter the recording studio. Record, stop and play sound. So something, this is like we have to record. Okay, so like this is our sound block. So you can see this is record, stop, play, save. This is record, stop, play and save. Okay, so green bars indicate the sound intensity. Save record sound and play record sound block. Okay, so here I will say hello, my name is Tick. So here I am doing it on hello, my name is Tick, how are you? And you can see I have save it, and this is the intensity of my sound. I will drag it and take it to the script. And now we have to add the speech bubbles. So access to the purple block category for the speech bubble option. Drag the save block to your sprite and edit the text in the speech block and adjust the speech bubble duration for the longer text. So we will go here, and here I am taking the speech block. Here I will write, I will show you a dance performance. Okay, so let's see the another. So when this all have done, we have to run the show. Tap the green flag button to start now. So give it a full screen, and now let's see. We have to add our sound also over here. Okay, so for it, first we have to remove, we will add our sound. To save, we have to save it also. So we will here I have done undo over here. So let's see the voice, recorded voice.
Hello, my name is Tick. How are you?
So you can see after recorded sound, it will also show the speech bubble. Okay, so this is our activity of find your voice. Thank you.